Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got a happy birthday Nicky at Nicky Nail Loves. This is an Instagram collaboration hosted by Tinkerbell 1970s. Our theme was favorite flowers any color. I have started off with Nailtique's Formula 2 as my base coat, and this is Alter Ego, and this is Northern Sea Oats. This is from that Polish and Beauty Expo in Nashville last year. So here we go. We're going to apply this beauty on my nails. Now this is typically not a color or a finish that I really get into, and that's why it was still sitting in the bucket for me to wear after the Polish and Beauty Expo from last year. But it's very delicate, very shiny, very nice. I don't know why I wear these not so often. So there is 2 coats of Northern Sea Oats. I'm going to top it with I&M's Out the Door and get this one to dry down. Today I'm not stamping or water marbling or any of that jazz. I'm going to play with decals, water slides. There's a photo of it on its own. I've got A019. I have no idea where these came from, honestly. Born Pretty, AliExpress, I don't know. Big package of them. So I'm just going to cut the ones I plan on using off. And then I'm going to hop in here and get that plastic film off the top. And do a little more trimming. And then I'm going to separate them. I'm going to cut them into bits. Cut between all the flowers so that we can, play with them one at a time. And one more cut. Now I use a little dish, and I learned this trick from Manisha. And it works really, really well. So we're just going to put them down in there. Let them get wet. I've got like a cotton round wet so that I'm not chasing them all over the bowl. And then I'm just going to slide them off to the side a little bit. I'm going to flip them over so I can see what I've got to work with. I'm scared I'm going to get down to last nail and not be able to fit what I've got pulled. Alright, so here we go. We're going to start putting these on the nails. And I figured having that gold background would make a beautiful pop with these colorful decals. These water slide decals. I just, love them. I do think they're very cool. And water decals, they can be pretty easy and unless you're struggling with, getting placement. But for the most part, I think they're really quick and easy forms of nail art that, almost anybody could do them. Oh, how pretty. I love it. I am going to have to trim that little tip off. I probably could have melted it with acetone, but I can't finish the manicure with that sticking off there. All right, so let's go do another one. But I don't know if I went all the way through it. I've got my little bowl, and then I put a like a makeup round in the bottom of it and just a little bit of water. That way that I can saturate the decals without, them floating in a bowl or a cup of water and I'm chasing them all over the place. I just think it's easier this way. And I'm so glad that our nail girlfriend Manisha figured that one out, because that's who I learned it from. So thank you, Manisha. And if I can remember, I'll try to put a link for her channel, but it's Manisha M on YouTube. So on this accent nail, I'm doing these 2 like smaller ones, kind of at catty corners, trying to, just make them balance out. And I think that's pretty good. So I'm going to use Posh Top Coat. These aren't metallic or holographic or anything like that. So I'm just using a regular top coat on these. There was nothing to smear and nothing to worry about crinkling or anything, because these are water slide decals. So they're good to go. And here is my manicure. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.